Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to access your morning meeting and where your schedule is going to be. We have noticed that a lot of you aren't coming to morning meeting, and then if you're coming to morning meeting, you're not showing up for your CKLA lesson and your math lesson, and you're not coming to the afternoon meeting. It is very important that you follow your schedule, whether you're apples or bananas, and you come to all those meetings throughout the day. Your child is getting their math lesson and their CKLA lesson from me live. They get to see all their friends and work together. So it's very important that you start showing up for all these. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to walk through where you should go every morning. By 8:30 every morning you should go to Seesaw. Seesaw is the place that you should be going to. You can get to it through Clever by typing in your child's ID number and passcode, or you can get your child's specific code from me. If you send me a message, I will send it to you, and you can get to Seesaw that way. So every morning you need to be checking Seesaw because that's our hub. This is where everything is, and this is where you should be looking. So, for example, let's say I am a banana. Okay, my child is a banana. So what I'm going to do is right over here in this area here, things will be highlighted in red. You'll see like a red number 1 or like a 2. If you see anything in the inbox, click in the inbox and go, because I'm going to start sending the schedules and the daily message in your inbox. So that is where it's always going to be. So I'm going to start phasing out of it being an activity. So it's not going to be in activities, it's going to be in your inbox. So let's pretend I am a banana and my child's a banana. I'm going to sign my child into Seesaw, which we all should know how to do by now. If you don't know how to do it, please call us or send us a message, and Ms. Tynan or I will walk you through it. Here is the bananas. Okay, so this morning I actually sent everybody a message. If you go to inbox, which here's inbox. Oh, looky here. There it is. Here is your morning message. Here is me. There is me from this morning. Right there. There I am. Here's me, and I can see down here who've seen it. So everybody should be looking at this morning message. In the morning message, you're going to find the daily schedule. So you're going to click on the daily schedule link. The daily schedule link is going to bring you to the schedule. Now, if you notice, this is the banana schedule. Everything that is highlighted, that is where you are going to be live with me that day. So you see here, this is live, this is live, this is live, and this is live. We're live 4 times. I have the meetings in there. You click on the meeting. If you click on that, you're going to go right straight to that website, and that's going to take you to our team meeting. So there really is no reason why, if you have this, you should be attending all of those meetings. For the seesaws, you go right in. You should be in Seesaw right now. You go into Seesaw and you look up the activity that I should be posting. It's on a schedule, and you do that activity. Talking about Seesaw activities, there are a lot of Seesaw activities where your kids need to be doing it. Our kinders need to be doing it by themselves. I do recommend you reading the directions to them. If there's videos of me in the activity, please play those, because I give a lot of information from that, and your child can watch me and start learning what I'm saying to them through those videos. But your job is to read directions and guide them. Please do not do their work. Let them do it by themselves. I can tell if they're doing work by themselves, and I can tell if you're doing their work. We've all been in kindergarten before. This is their first time. They need to do their work by themselves. It's very important that they do it by themselves, because this is how I am assessing them. I'm not assessing you, I'm assessing your child. So I need to see what they can and cannot do so that I can plan my lessons accordingly, so I can reach all my learners. So I would appreciate, do not do their work for them. let them do it by themselves. Okay? If they are struggling with it, let me know and we'll go from there. But please do not do your child's work. A lot of my seesaws are really fun activities. You need to listen to a lot of them. If there's videos, please play them. I am working on making all the videos easier for you to see. I'm switching them all, so it's going to take me a while to switch, but I'll get there eventually. Just focus on the lessons from the day and get those done, and then we can move on. So, thank you for your patience. Thank you for everything, for helping. We can do this together. It takes a village, right? So I just appreciate all of your help and everything. If you need more assistance, please let me know and we will help you out as much as we possibly can. But as for now, your morning messages and your schedules will be in your inbox. So please go to your inbox every morning by 8:30. Check your inbox. Inside of your inbox, you will see you have a link. Click on the link, and the link will send you right straight to your daily schedule for the day. And then all you do is you follow your schedule. If it is highlighted, that is when you should be online live. So please, I know a lot of you show up for morning meeting, but then you're not at any of the ELA or the math lessons, which I need to start seeing you guys at the ELAs, and I need to start seeing you at the math because that's the bulk. That's the bulk. Okay? And please start showing up for Ending Circle because it's nice for them to all see each other and just to gather at the end of the day, read a story, talk about what we've learned for the whole entire day. So any questions, please send me a message on Talking Points. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can send me a message on here because I get messages through here if you would like to do that too, because this is our hub. This is where everything is going to be going on. Okay, my friends and parents and grandmas and grandpas and guardians of all. Thank you so much for what you are doing. I appreciate everything. Thank you very, very much.